See? The sun! Bobby! You're in the way!
Sorry.
Is it just me, or does the sun appear less bright than it should be? If you turn the wavelength dial, I bet we'll see lots of sunspots. That's because of something to do with Santa's problem, Zuzu. Let's investigate! Heat shield up!
Is it some sort of moon?
That's no moon, Bobby.
It's a spaceship. Oh, what's it doing?
Try a different wavelength, Adam. It's sucking up solar flares.
Message coming through. What do you want? Take a hike.
Hi, I'm Adam. Who are you and what are you doing to our sun?
I'm Frizzle, leader of the Frazzlings, and I'm harnessing solar flares to bring back to my homeworld.
Why are you taking our solar flares?
I'm Frazzler Fiddy. Our sun isn't powerful enough. I thought everyone knew that.
Are all the Frazzlings so rude? Don't you know it's Christmas Eve?
Ah, I've heard of this Christmas stuff. Pah! Who cares? Nobody ever gave me anything for Christmas. Now clear off.
Trying to get Frizzle the Frazzling back, Adam, but she's not answering.
Oops, look at the time, Adam. It's almost Christmas Day, and Santa still needs our help to find his reindeer.
You're right, Speedy. Hey, wait a minute. What's that on the Frazzling ship? Zuzu, those lights look a lot like the aurora back on Earth. You're right, Adam. Solar flares are what cause aurora when they hit the Earth's atmosphere at the North and South poles. So, if Frizzle the Frazzling sucks up all the solar flares, there'll be no northern lights, and Santa will never find his reindeer in time.
Oh, Christmas will be ruined. Oh.